This is a 2013 Buick Verano. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, direct injection, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player which can read MP3s, latch-ready child seat anchors, steering wheel controls, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, variable valve timing, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.